Hello everyone, welcome back to the Scrap and Stamp YouTube channel. It's Jess here, and today we're keeping it clean and simple. Here's a peek at the products we'll be using today. Tracey Hay's Make a Splash and A Little Bit Crazy, a masking stencil, and pattern paper from Lawn Fawn's Hello Sunshine paper collection. As always, I'll have all the links in the description box below. Let's dive right in. I started by stamping our main images with VersaFine Onyx Black ink on Bristol Smooth cardstock. And I reached for my tricolor Aqua markers and Make Art Station. These are the water-based versions of the tri-blends. I love them because you get 3 different colors in each pen, and you can vary the color tones using your water brush, making it a very quick and simple way to add color. And if you're new to coloring, this is the perfect way to practice. You don't have to worry too much about blending the same tones together. You use your water brush to have the variation of colors. And if you wanted to stay inside the lines, I would recommend heat embossing with clear embossing powder, and then you get little ridges that help you keep the color in place. I like to add a little bit of each color on my Make Art Station, picking up the color with my water brush. If you do happen to get some color outside the lines, don't worry. All you have to do is add a drop of clean water and dab it away with paper towel. Now that our images are all colored in, we can start working on the backgrounds. So when I think clean and simple, I tend to go 2 ways. The first way is masking off a small area with Oxide inks because it leaves the perfect amount of white space. The general rule for clean and simple cards is 60% of your card front should have white space. And now just because it is clean and simple, it doesn't mean it can't be elegant. I kind of look at it as the no makeup look of card making. There's no pressure to reach for tons of products or add multiple layers for a polished look. For our ocean scene, I'm blending together tumbled glass and prized ribbon. And now for the big reveal. Love it! And one final step, we're going to react the ink with a little bit of water. And if you're like me, you're probably on high alert with clean and simple cards and getting inky fingerprints. My mono sand eraser is never far. We're going to be doing a little bit of stamping on our blended background, so I just hit it quickly with my heat tool. And now on to card 2. Our second background is as simple as die cutting a stitched rectangle with white cardstock and pairing it up with pattern paper. I decided that I wanted to have a diagonal edge, but you can get creative on how you play with the color balance. As I'm working, I like to kind of check in to make sure everything is falling into place as I envisioned, or not. But when things aren't glued down, we can switch things around if we need. And now it's sentiment time. I love these sweet sets. They have a really cool array of sentiments in different fonts and styles. I like to reach for my Misty for any stamping directly on the card front, and I love the grid because it helps keep my sentiments in line. And now for card 2. And now we can place our cuties on the card front. I'm going to go ahead and add some dimension with some 3D foam tape. And of course, I'm going to add some extra little details. I'm going to reach for stickles for our unicorn, and no card is complete without coordinating sequins. And here's our finished clean and simple cards. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time.